What is clickjacking? Clickjacking is a type of vulnerability that occurs when an attacker is able to trick a user into clicking on a button or link that they did not intend to click on by hiding it behind other content on the web page. This can allow the attacker to steal sensitive information, such as login credentials, or perform unintended actions, such as making a purchase or changing the user's password. Some examples of clickjacking vulnerabilities include lack of frame busting. If a web application does not use frame busting techniques, an attacker could potentially load the page in a hidden frame and trick the user into clicking on a button or link. Misconfigured CSP. If the web application does not properly configure the Content Security Policy (CSP), an attacker could potentially load the page in a hidden frame and trick the user into clicking on a button or link. Insecure error handling. If a web application does not properly handle errors, an attacker could potentially use error messages to gain information about the web application and exploit clickjacking vulnerabilities. Lack of UI redress prevention. If a web application doesn't take steps to prevent UI redress attacks, an attacker could potentially use transparent overlays to trick the user into clicking on a button or link they didn't intend to. It is important to use frame busting techniques, properly configure the CSP, handle errors securely, and take steps to prevent UI redress attacks to protect against clickjacking vulnerabilities.